So in this video, I will guide you how you can import Telegram wallet to TonKeeper. So doing so is pretty much simple. I am in my Telegram wallet, so simply click on the settings or gear icon on the top left corner of your screen. Then click on show Ton space beta on the top of your screen. Once you do so, you're just gonna need to now click on it. Once you click there, you just need to click on the start exploring Ton, and you just need to click on the backup manually, and these are the recovery phrases that you just need to copy. And once you have copied these recovery phrases, you just need to now open up your TonKeeper wallet. So simply open it up and log into your account. Then what you need to do is click on the wallet on the top and click on add wallet. Then you're gonna need to simply click on existing wallet, and once you click there, as you can see, these are all the recovery phrases that you need to enter, just like you copy from the Telegram wallet. You just need to copy all of them and simply paste it right here and then click on the continue. So that's how you can import Telegram wallet to TonKeeper.